Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can clear your watch history on TikTok. So recently TikTok released a feature where you can now see the watch history of your last 7 days of TikTok viewing. So how you would go about and clear that watch history, if you want to go ahead and do that, is you would tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll tap on the 3 horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner, and then you'll go to settings and privacy. From here you just want to scroll down and you'll find the watch history option, which is right over there. It's a new feature, so if you're not seeing that, then you want to go ahead and update your TikTok app to the latest version. So I'll tap on watch history and it's very simple. You'll see the entire watch history. Then you just need to tap on the settings gear cog at the top right hand corner there, and then you have the option there at the bottom to clear the history. So if you tap on clear history, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to clear the watch history from this device? You cannot recover this once you've cleared it. So if you're happy with that, just tap on clear, and now it says no watch history available. And then you can just repeat that process as you begin to get more watch history, and that's the process. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.